What's up, YouTube? Before I start this video, whatever I'm about to do, I want to give a shout out to two of my friends on Xbox 360. Let me check again. Noah 7117 and X Blitz 39X. The Blitz is all in capitals. Noah's always check out his games on Xbox if you have an Xbox. His maps are awesome in Minecraft. Check that out. Before I get too far into that, I'm going to start this. It's Cold Wind Blows instrumental. Tell me what you guys think. And I started a new channel. This is the new thing. I'm gonna shut up now. Hey. Weirdest thing I've ever done. Let me see. Yeah. Turn off the sound in my mic. Yeah, you guys are in the video. Here we go again. My life is a blessing, your life is depressing. More money, more problems, you some charging for discretion. I'm a love of Gucci, so my heart is a possession. Immaculate conception if you let it tease. Ladies play games, that's why I tie separate. But if your price is right, then you can be the next contestant. 30 million is the same if it wasn't 97. So if you want me, pay me like that boy in social network. Everybody got opinions, but not a party people broken, not spoken, but I written down. Listen, I be riding in my biz show. My own biz and his mother skip your friendship if we got up with some insurance. Grown man brother, you still living off your girls and if you sell it, mother dang. Alright, okay. Guess that's the end. Well, since this is the last time that you're gonna hear me freestyle with this kind of song, I'm gonna keep on going. But I don't wait, yeah. Bye.